Hello. Today we are going to introduce you one of our fully automatic system for weighing and packing laundry pot or other small granular in pre-made bags. The whole system consists by four parts. The first part is the J-type elevator, and the second part is the multi-head weigher. The third part is the supporting platform, and the fourth part is the main packer. Now let's see it one by one. 哎，我是不是太快了？
没有，前面那里啊，不用介绍吗？
怎么介绍啊？前面？
这里啊。
Okay, maybe first we can check the. This is the product, laundry pot. You can see, and this is the finished bag after packing. Finished products. Yes, it's standard bag with zipper. Okay, now let's move and check the J-type elevator first. 有点快，动了。Okay. You can see the J-type elevator is made of stainless steel 304, and the small bucket inside here is ABS food grade material. This is the feeding hopper. Generally speaking, we will adopt vibration type feeding hopper because for common granules for peanuts, rice, beans, because through vibrating, the material will feeding inside the small bucket and then move to the next process for weighing. But for this machine, you can see we has adopted a conveying belt type because we has considered that the laundry pot will be a little sticky on the surface, which makes it not easy to move by vibrating. So we use the conveying belt to solve that problem. Also to make sure the feeding part can be work in high efficiency to.
Now I'm going to show you the head weigher. And this is the head weigher. You see why the surface is bright, because we made the surf room on the surface. Yeah, you see, this is the bright surface. It's called the surf room surface too, because the pork there is oil and juice on the surface, and we make the surf room surface is to make it empty shape and also keep the material, the weigher material not into the corruption. And now we see these two eyes. The function is to when there is no laundry pot there, and that the eyes will feed back to the information to the Z-type weigher to make it to transfer the product here. And the weigher can achieve around 120 bags in 1 minute. Okay, now you see here, this is the surface of the supporting where we made the patterns on the frame to make it empty shape. 我唔記得咗啊。Now let's see how's the weigher working. And let's see. There is a two heads of the weigher. One head is to fill the product into the bag, and another head is for the qualified product, and it will come out of the bag.
Okay, now let's see the first part of the machine. It's the main packer. It's rotary pre-made backpacking machine. This main packer has multi-function. It cannot just match with the multi-head weigher to pack small granular like peanut, rice, beans, and laundry pot, but it can also match with the liquid pump to filling and metering and filling liquids, or maybe it can also match with the auger filler to metering and filling powders. This same pre-made backpacking machine can be walkable, can accept different types of bag, like this type, stand-up bag, or this size, 4-size sling bag. Or maybe the stand-up bag with zipper. And this machine has 8 working position. Now let's see each position and its function. Okay, here. Check here. You can put dozens of pre-made bag on this bag holding device. By this handle, it can adjust the bag. Okay. 哇，去，停止。佢卡住咗喺度，停喺度。
嚟幫攞落嚟，你介紹其他先。
Okay, 你来介绍。
Okay, and this is the touchscreen we made from the Siemens brand. And there is an optional. When you click here, and it means close. When we click here, and this is start. When you need this function, you can put over start or close. And this is the heating temperature device.
Okay, we will introduce you the 8 working position now. 这里还拍吗？不拍。You can see here, this is the bag giving device. It's controlled by pneumatic cylinder. When you turn on the machine, this device will pick up the bags and give it to the first working position. This is the first working position. It's bag giving position. It will take the bags and then give it to the second working position. This is the second working position. It's zipper opening and cold printer position. You can see here, this is the zipper opening device. It's necessary when your pre-made bag has zipper on top side, like this type, has zipper on top. And this is the cold printer. For standard machine, the printer will be ribbon cold printer, which can produce production day, expire day, lot number. It can print max 45 words like this. It can print max 3 line 45 words. Use thermal transfer printer instead. Okay. This is the third working position. 帮我拿一个4电风。This is the third working position. Bottom opening position. It has 2 parts. This is the top bag opening device, and this is the bottom bag opening device. And the bottom bag opening device, sometimes you will not need this device. For example, if your pre-made bag is like this type, no need to open the bag bottom. So then you can just remove this device or maybe turn it off on touch screen when you running the machine. And this is the 4 working position. About this position, you can see there is a reject diverter. This device is to make sure the weight more accuracy. For example, if you set the target weight 1,000 gram, and if the actual material weight is acceptable, the tolerance is 10 gram plus or minus. You can, if the material weight is actually 110 gram, 1,010 gram, then the machine will reject the weight. The material will come out by this head. And if the if the material weight is within your acceptable tolerance, it will come outside by this filling head. And filling inside the pre-made bag directory. In this case, it can make sure the filling weight more accuracy. You can see here there is a vibrating device, bag vibrating device. This device will keep vibrating during the whole process of filling, which to make sure all the material position.
Okay, now, and this is the location file. There is a brush here, and when we will put here to make to the bag to make the product in to make sure to make all the product into the bag. And then location 6 and location 7 is the optional choice. When we put the liquid, and we will make the liquid here into the bag. And here, and this is the sensor. This is a sensor to read whether there is a product here. If there is no product, and the machine don't seal the bag. And this is the location to seal the bag. And the finished bag will come here. 可以动一下吗？ And this is the finished product. It's the zipper and the bottom bag. 然后我们走过去了，然后我们走过去，啊 ？Machine warehouse. And this is the powder machine. This is the processing location. And I'm going to show you the Doypack packing machine to fill the liquid. This is the machine to fill the liquid. And this is the pump. According to the different products, we will make the different different accessory of the machine. The liquid pump. And now, behind us is our LD 900 packing machine. This is the machine is to pack the cat food, 10 kilogram. And this is the machine to pack the 3 kilogram of the plastic. Okay, thank you. And
For instruction, thanks for watching. Bye. 你不是说的很好的吗？怎么突然就这样没了？10分钟有吗？
我说了，真的好简单啊！
我感觉很多都忘了，是吧？
啊？佢是3文。